what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Drip Virals. It's time for me to replace my windshield wiper on the passenger side, but it's the same process on the driver's side, but it can be tricky because sometimes you get one of these type of backs, or it says it has multi, and it definitely, let me see, I'll show you this way. I don't know if you guys can see that this way. Let me show you this way. It'll say that it has a multi connector on it, and hold on, what it says. Okay, I think premium impulse rubber, extreme weather performance. But there's a part on here, I can't seem to find what it says. It just says it has a multi-connector and is good for your BMW, your year and model. But this thing here could be a little tricky because this here connector looks like it could slide into the slot this way, but this way, right? But you have to remove this here. And it looks like it's not a part of this. The directions are not too clear, but you can. All you have to do is slide this up here, slide this forward, and then pull this out. And then you remove this part, which they call C, and now you're left with B. Now you could slide this in and then connect this to the bottom of this connector here. First, obviously this comes this way. I'm sorry about this, I kind of skipped a step. This comes this way. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here we go. This comes this way, right? So this is just, you put in through the hole, or you put the hook in and then you're good with regular hook. But with this one, over here it says press. You press this and then you take this off, all right? So you're good. Now you connect this with this. Most of the BMWs will have this connector here. Just as I did before, it would have this C on top of B. You won't be able to see B. It will be this way. This is for a different connector with another hole connected to the side, like it comes with a double hook. You could double hook it here, right? Or you choose a single hook. Sorry, probably a single hook. So what you have to do again to remove this to fit on the BMW one is you just pull this back, the top part here back, and pull up on the C. It's right there. I'll do it again. Move this out the way and start putting and separate it. Once it is separated, you can slide it in. I'm about to show you that now. See these two here? Hook it onto this first. Hook it onto here first. I don't know if you can see the piece from here. Yeah, hook this onto this first. Make sure both sides hooks is on, and then snap it and snap it up. And then you should snap this, and this should snap in place. Okay, now this is in place. Now you could put the windshield wiper into this groove here. See this groove right here? There's a groove right here. Watch this here handle. And then this nut, and then this flat part will go onto this groove and that one right there. It should all snap in place. If you do this correctly. My glove is stuck in there. It's kind of hard. I'm trying to show you guys one hand. I'm so sorry. But there you go. And now it should be in place. Right? There you go. And now let me take this off. One hand. I don't have a camera person, but it's okay. We're good. And then here we go. There you go. It's in place. That's it. All right. They work the same, but that one is slightly more of a factory. This was a little bit more modified, but that's okay. I'll take it. All right. Hopefully this helped you guys. This could be a little challenging to get the top piece off. To get B off of C, you got to squeeze and take it off from the top. If anything, fellas, hopefully this helped you guys. All right. Talk to you guys later. If videos were out, please like, share, and subscribe, and ask any questions that you like. God bless you. Bye-bye.